Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your notebook of GK. Today we will complete work in notebook of GK. Today our topic is cleanliness. Exercise number 3. This is our subtopic. Answer these questions. Today we will have to complete question answers that are given here. Before starting these question answers, I am going to take a short review of this lesson. What is meaning of cleanliness? This word is cleanliness. It's mean to keep ourselves clean and to keep ourselves neat. It's mean keeping ourselves clean, keeping ourselves neat. To keep ourselves clean, we use soap. To wash our hands, we use toothbrush. To clean our teeth, so brush your teeth twice a day. You will have to brush your teeth twice a day when you get up early in the morning and before going to sleep. You will have to brush your teeth twice a day. It's mean 2 times in a day. You will have to wear shoes to protect your feet. You will have to use water, clean water. Look at here, we have to use clean towel to clean our body. So this, what is this boy doing? This boy is brushing his teeth with a toothbrush. So you will have to brush your teeth twice a day. Once after getting up in the morning and before going to sleep. Next one is, what is this boy doing? This boy is taking bath. So you have to take a bath every day. You have to take a bath every day to keep yourself clean. What is this girl holding? This girl holding clothes. She wants to wear clean clothes. So you have to wear clean clothes to keep yourself neat and clean. You have to cut your nails. Look at her, what is she doing? You have to cut your nails with nail cutter to keep yourself neat and clean. Look at her, what is this girl doing? This girl is washing hands. You can see clean towel is here, so we have to wash our hands. So students, look at here, what is this boy doing and what is this? This boy is wearing shoes. This boy is wearing shoes to protect his feet. Next one picture I am going to show. Look at these children. These are cleaning. Look at here. These are cleaning their home and surroundings. Look at here. These children are cleaning. These children are cleaning home and surroundings. So you have to clean your home and surroundings. You will have to clean your home and surroundings. Look at here. This is also the home. You will have to clean your home, the surrounding, a place around you, place or things around you. Where do you live? So you have to put rubbish in the dustbin. You have to put rubbish in the dustbin. You have to clean your school and you will have to clean yourself. You can clean your school by putting rubbish into the dustbin. Let's start our work. Question number 3 is, what are germs? First of all, I am going to tell you germs are small living things that can attack you, that can make you ill, that can cause diseases. What are germs? You can write answer. Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. DISEASES, diseases, spelling of CAUSE, cause. Next one question is 4 is how can we keep ourselves clean? I told you many times you can take half answer from this question. We can keep ourselves clean. After writing this, you write we can keep ourselves clean by taking a bath, brushing our teeth, washing hands. Taking, TAKING, taking a bath, 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 BRUSHING, brushing our TWEH, teeth, washing, WASHING, washing hands. So you can write answer. We can keep ourselves clean by taking a bath, brushing our teeth, washing hands. Question number 5 is you will have to write answer of question number 5. How can we make our school clean? You go school, so you have to make your school clean. How can we make our school clean? We can take we will have to take half answer from this question. We can make our school clean by putting rubbish into the dustbin. By putting rubbish into the dustbin. Spelling of putting is PUTTING, putting. So the answer of this question you will have to write. We can make our school clean by putting rubbish into the dustbin. Next one you will have to write how can you keep ourselves clean? We can keep ourselves clean by taking a bath, brushing our teeth and washing hands. Next one is what are germs? Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. Okay students, today you will have to complete question number 4. Question number 3, what are germs? Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. You will have to write question number 3, 4 and 5 in notebook of GK. After watching this video, you will be able to write answers of these questions that are given here. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.